In this video, I'll show you how to replace and install new ink cartridges in your HP Deskjet 2755. So let's get started. Okay, and once you unbox it, it should look like this one. Be careful. It's important to not touch the print head with your finger, never here, and the contacts. Okay, before putting it in, you need to remove this tape here. So I'm gonna take it, and here are the contacts. Never put your fingers on them, and you're gonna pull it, and that's all. You can dispose of this tape. And so let's go to the next step. Okay, now to open the cartridge compartment, you have to first open this door, and then just there, let me show you, there is another door. All you have to do is to push it down, and the ink cartridges will be presented in front of you after a few seconds. If you already have some cartridges installed, to remove them, all you have to do is take your finger, put it on the top of the ink cartridges and push down like this, okay? Once the ink cartridge is in this position, you can just take it with both of your fingers and slide it out. Do the same thing for the next one. Now to put back ink cartridge inside of the printer, you must just remember that the black one always goes on the right side and the color one on the left side. Take your ink cartridge. All you have to do is to glide it into its spot. And then when you're here, all you have to do is take your thumb and maybe the second finger here, put it behind and push it with your thumb until you hear a click. Here we go. Now all you have to do is the same exact thing with the three colors one. Put it there and then again until you hear the click. Once you're done, you just have to close this small door here and the ink will go directly in the printer. Once you've done this, it's recommended that you print an alignment page for each new cartridges that you replace. Some printer may print it automatically, but if it doesn't print automatically, you can go on the computer and I will show you how. So here I am inside the HP Smart app. You should see your printer on top here, and you should have some option down below. You should select printer settings, this icon. Once you're here on the left side in this menu, you should have print quality tools. Click on it. And once you're here, all you have to do is to click on align print heads. From here on, you just have to click on print alignment page and continue with all the instruction that will be followed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.